Now, Channel 3 early warning weather.
Well, it certainly was another hot day with the temperatures reaching the low 90s in parts of the state. 92 is the high temperature in the state. That happened in Hartford and also Windsor Locks, but it made it up to 90 or higher in Danbury, Meriden, Chester, Willimantic, and even Putnam. 91 this afternoon before the showers and thunderstorms moved in. So the heat wave has now gone on for 4 days. It became official yesterday. It began on Saturday with a high of 92, 94 Sunday, 95 yesterday, and 92 degrees today. And we're forecasting one more day before we finally get some relief. There's a little bit of rain in the state tonight, a little bit of drizzle, a little bit of mist, some fog in some areas as well. And the humidity is very high. When you step outside, it just feels tropical, almost like a sauna tonight. 75 degrees in Hartford, and it's calm. There's our iCam in Waterbury where there's a very light fog and 70 degrees, a little bit cooler than Hartford. And you go into New London, it's 66, and that's one of the cool spots. That's because they're right near that cool water. You can see there's also a light southerly breeze around 3 miles an hour right now. So except for Groton, most of us are in the 70s, and it's going to have a hard time dipping below 70 tonight due to the very high humidity that we have. And this is the humidity. It almost looks like the temperature map with dew points in the low 70s in many parts of the state. That's oppressive humidity for sure. All right, as far as the Northeast goes with the radar and satellite combined, the shower and thunderstorm activity diminishing in the more stable nighttime hours, but some of the activity is persisting. That's because the air is so moist and moisture laden, supplying the showers with abundant moisture. So Futurecast shows that we'll have quiet weather for most of us tonight. Again, a shower or sprinkle is possible. Then tomorrow, partly to mostly cloudy in the morning. More showers and thunderstorms are going to kind of fire up during the afternoon. Maybe not as widespread as today, but some of these will produce heavy downpours, a lot of lightning, and maybe even some gusty winds in some locations. So that's 5 o'clock in the afternoon tomorrow on Futurecast. And then a cold front moves through, and it brings with it the drier, cooler air. So that's going to start happening tomorrow night. And by Thursday morning, you step out the door and you're going to notice the difference. And as we go through the day, Friday or Thursday, partly to mostly sunny skies, and the humidity is going to be quite a bit lower than it is right now. And it looks like it's going to stay comfortable right through the upcoming weekend. All right, so lows tonight in the 60s to lower 70s, and highs tomorrow in the upper 80s and low 90s. Yes, we are going for heat wave day number 5. As far as the heat index goes tomorrow, it's going to start ramping up as the morning goes on. That's noontime, the heat index approaching 90 and likely reaching the mid-90s during the afternoon before it starts to go down in the evening. So no heat advisory in effect for tomorrow, but it's still going to be pretty steamy out there. All right, here is your 7-day forecast. Thursday, highs in the 80s with lower humidity, and then we'll dip into the 50s Thursday night. Friday, partly sunny in the 70s, and it looks like we'll stay in the 70s this weekend. Partly sunny both Saturday and Sunday. Nighttime lows in the 50s, which means good sleeping weather. And then we could hit the low 80s on Monday with the chance for a shower or a storm. And the shoreline will likely be around 86 tomorrow, but the rest of the 7-day forecast is looking quite a bit cooler.